A government that robs Peter to pay Paul can always depend on the support of Paul. Beware of false knowledge. It is more dangerous than ignorance. Both optimist and pessimist contribute to society. The optimist invent the aeroplane, the pessimist the parachute. We don't stop playing because we grow old. We grow old because we stop playing. Life is not about finding yourself. Life is about creating yourself. People who say it cannot be done should not interrupt those who are doing it. A life spent making mistakes is not only more honorable, but more useful than a life spent doing nothing. Progress is impossible without change, and those who cannot change their mind cannot change anything. A Native American elder once described his own inner struggles in this manner. Inside of me, there are two dogs. One of the dog is mean and evil. The other dog is good. The mean dog fights the good dog all the time. When asked which dog wins, he reflected for a moment and replied, "The one I feed the most." Silence is the most perfect expression of scorn. Don't lose faith. Promise yourself that you will be a success story. And I promise you that all the forces of the universe will unite to come your aid. You might not feel today or for a while, but the longer you wait, the bigger the prize. The only time my education was interrupted was when I was in school. Don't wait for the right opportunity, create it. The single biggest problem in communication is the illusion that it has taken place. The thing most people want to know about are usually none of their business. Those who cannot change their minds cannot change anything. Experience fails to teach where there is no desire to learn. Liberty means responsibility. That is why most men read it. A socialist is somebody who doesn't have anything and is ready to divide up equally among everybody. Take care to get what you like, or you will be forced to like what you get. Islam is the best religion, and Muslims are the worst followers. No diet will remove all the fat from your body because the brain is entirely fat. Without a brain, you might look good, but all you could do is run for a public office. The person I miss most is the one I could have been. A cigarette is a pinch of tobacco rolled in a paper with fire at one end and a pool at the other. He knows nothing and thinks he knows everything. That's point clearly to a political career. Life is a first draft with no rewrite. Avoid having sex with someone else's wife because it is like taking sip of wine from someone else's bottle. It seems to be unnoticeable by the owner and you are pleased.